Seascapes have been an important and interesting subject throughout the history of painting until now. Artists often seek out skills to create successful paintings within this subject, so we've compiled a list of essential elements of ocean paintings to help you better paint seascapes with ease. Welcome to Acrylic Arts Academy. We teach the world to paint. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful acrylic painting educational content. Hit the bell icon to be notified of our newest videos. In order to illustrate the importance of these seascape painting tips, we'll show you examples from history. Please note that any art shown here is in the public domain and is provided by the National Gallery of Art in Washington, D.C. Tip number 1 is to use a horizon line. A horizon line is essential to any seascape painting as it anchors the entire image. Simply adding a straight delineation across the canvas will help the viewer understand the field of imagery you're creating. It's your choice of how much or how little of the skyline you show within the painting. Creating a horizon line higher up on the canvas will show more of the ocean, and a lower horizon line will focus your painting more on the skyscape. It depends on the perspective that you're hoping to portray. Tip number 2 is painting water well. As an ever-changing entity, water has varying types of visual energy. Even motionless, still water portrays reflections and other information about the natural scenery. Consider different brushstrokes and techniques to show movement within the water, especially considering the tide-driven nature of the sea. If you are wondering how to portray water reflections, click the card in the upper corner of this video to watch a tutorial that will help you understand better. Painting water and reflections well is essential in adding realism and believability to any seascape. Tip number 3 is to consider the source of light. Portraying a sense of light will be necessary for any seascape that you paint. As the light source is typically the sun in seascapes, it helps you to portray different times of the day. Keeping light consistent in your work will help show reflections on objects such as boats, trees, and water. Light is an essential element of painting and will reveal details and highlight textures of natural or man-made objects within. Tip number 4 is elements in the foreground. Placing one or more objects in the foreground will help describe the scale of your painting. If you need help understanding scale, please click the card in the upper corner of this video to watch a short tutorial defining this essential art term. In short, showing something close up helps describe the background object's distance. Showing a closer object to the left or right of the frame helps describe the distance shown in any painting, especially seascapes. It's helpful to remember that in order to show distance, objects in the foreground should have more details as they're closer to the viewer. Tip number 5, an incredible skyline works wonders. In seascape painting, the skyscape can determine the nature of the water. If the weather is fair, the water may be smoother. If the weather is stormy, the water may be more choppy. The nature of your skyline and clouds can easily change and influence the mood of a seascape painting. Your sky and clouds within a seascape also reveals the source of light and the time of day, which helps inform highlight and shadow throughout. We hope these tips and examples from history will help you improve your seascape painting skills. Stay tuned to Acrylic Arts Academy and subscribe to our channel for more helpful acrylic painting videos like this. This is the art featured in this video. Begin your acrylic painting journey by visiting acrylicartsacademy.com/free guides. See you next time.